Terminal 7, 8, 1, 4, and 5. We are arriving at Terminal 7. This train will stop at Airline Terminals 8, 1, 4, 5, and 7. Stop. Look around and please take all your belongings.
So here at Terminal 7, you really don't need an elaborate video to show you what's what. It's a very small terminal. The main tricky part about Terminal 7 is how to get here. It is under the brunt of some major construction. There's major construction outside of the terminal, and it's only a matter of time before that construction comes inside the terminal. They have renderings, which are behind me, which you can see of what this terminal is going to look like, and it's actually going to be renamed. They're calling the new renderings Terminal 6. So I have a feeling that Terminal 7 isn't going to be around much longer. I don't have the blueprints, but it looks like they're probably building out a much larger space that's going to absorb this very small terminal. This is a really small terminal. It's almost like one of those one-room airports you find in small towns. But there's quite a few airlines. Aside from the larger flagship carriers like AerLingus, Air Canada, there's also Iceland Air, there's Ethiopian Air, there's Kuwait Air. There's another side check-in area around the corner from the main one, which has two different flanks. I don't know if there's lounges here in this terminal. I'd probably have to check. But you also have the Polish air carrier LOT. So if you're flying to Poland via JFK, you're going to fly out of Terminal 7. They also have Norse, which takes you to the Faroe Islands. And then let's see what other ones they have. They have, oh, how did I forget the big one? ANA. So if you're going to Tokyo, you're going to take ANA, which is great because if you're looking for, because the only flights on the United Star Alliance otherwise are the United flights, which fly out of Newark. So if for whatever reason JFK is more amenable to you, you would want to take the codeshare ANA flight out of Terminal 7 here in JFK. But straight up, I'm not gonna lie, this airport depresses the heck out of me. It's really sad. There's something just small, it feels very separated from everything, but it's also not crowded. I mean, there's quite a few people coming in and coming through. I'm probably between flights. I can imagine that this place gets very crowded very fast if there are like a collection of flights all coming in at the same time. But otherwise, this is a very manageable terminal. You're not going to find it very difficult to maneuver at all. I'm going to go down to the arrivals to take the air train to Terminal 8.